This is the hot stuff right here.
Hi guys, we're making this challenge. How do you call this? A Korean, the spicy Korean. This is a chicken. So we're going to pour this, whatever it is.
You're gonna do that one first? Do that one. What?
This is it's very dark, like kind of soy. Yeah, but you have to pour it all. Oh my god, it's very spicy. The smell of it. The dog is crying too. Hold on guys, I'm gonna be getting some. We need this. Yeah,
Okay.
and this is whatever is this seaweeds.
Seaweed.
Yeah, this
Indian tree. Seaweed. This is pepper.
no, it's yeah, it's local. It's a mixed seaweed thing. It's you see that? What is this? A white
Oh, sesame seeds.
sesame seed, and the green thing is the seaweed, not pepper. It's seaweed. Okay, let's mix it. We don't use any. How do you call that in?
You can get all these stuff out there.
I did. Oh my god.
I can't get it all out without opening it up. It's all stuck to it.
Is it?
Yeah, look how much stuff.
Hopefully I can eat this, guys, because it says it's very spicy, but let's see.
I want her to record herself whining for the next 2 days.
We don't use any chopsticks.
It doesn't smell very spicy. Oh, maybe it does.
It's probably okay. Alright. You ready? No, you don't mix yours properly.
Well, I know that. I know. Mixing it, it's just taking its time. You need 2 forks to mix it.
That. Okay, I'm waiting for him because he's not a good mixer, guys.
No salt, no cheese, nothing?
Oh, you can add cheese if you want. You can add anything, but I don't want to add. You want to add sriracha in there? The spicy sauce? You want to add
It's
more?
already got spicy sauce on it.
But you want to add more?
How do I know? I haven't tasted it.
Okay. Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, cheers! You know what? I'm gonna eat it now, guys. Mmm! Oh my god! Oh my god, it's spicy. Keep eating it.
It's gonna be a long hot summer.
Spicy. Oh my god, Han. Han, I don't. Oh my god. But I don't wanna. Huh?
Go ahead, it was your rule.
Oh my god, it get worse. It get worse. If you drink water, it get worse.
Actually, water will not cool down bread.
Han, it's spicy, Han. If it's spicy too, if it's too much. I know you're spicy already. I know, you just hide it. I can't even tell anymore. Ooh. I think I'm really good in spice. But it's too much, guys. Like I'm eating spice chili. The one that we have in the Philippines, this little one. Seems like you're eating a lot of it. At the same time.
What?
Ooh.
person who threw out jalapeno peppers because I made her eyes tear.
Oh my god, my nose. On your eyes, honey.
Yeah.
You're crying.
I don't think I cried. Spice have an effect on your
And
eyes.
don't force yourself if it's hot. Don't force yourself.
Hey, hon.
I check, guys. Burn it. Oh, what's another one? How can I stop it? I need salt.
No. Red. Plain white bread.
Hot.
What? You barely ate any of it.
I can't take it. I'm sorry, guys. I can't. You win. You win. Stop it now.
It's not. I'm almost done.
Ah. Ooh. What a waste. You should bread with her. It doesn't help.
What?
Bread.
It doesn't help. Alright, guys, here you go. Look at that.
Yeah, heroin, whatever.
And that.
Yeah, but your eyes is dripping, hon.
Oh, it can't affect. You can't help the effect it has on your body. I've eaten much hotter stuff. I ate stuff where like one bite makes your tongue feel like you want to rip it out of your mouth. This is not as hot as you. But you don't handle spice. You just think you handle spice better.
Because I remember with my
In
parents.
your mind.
What in my mind? It's the memory that we have that we keep putting spices. Now I can't take it anymore. I really can't. It's that my tongue is hard to talk ever.
Want coffee?
No.
That'll make it worse. Of course, you can't taste coffee anymore either. Alright.
Okay, guys. Hey, Wayne. I don't know what to do with this. I gave it to the dog.
Yeah. It was not as spicy as you made it out to be. It's spicy, there's no doubt. It's hot. But it's not, you made it like it's the hottest thing on the planet.
Okay, say bye.
Hi, guys.